welcome back to my channel. My name is Vic and today we are going to be reacting to APINK NAMJOO's first solo album, aka her debut album called Bird, and her title track Bird. Yes, I am excited because since this is her first solo out of APINK, I mean she's done like separate things, but like this is her like first official debut album, which is very exciting. And yeah, it's called Bird. But judging from the thumbnail, she's wearing like a crown, so like she's the queen of the birds. I don't know, like something with birds, I guess. But yes, I'm really excited to listen to this because Namjoo has like a very unique voice, but like I'm not really sure what kind of style she has, because in APINK like everyone has very different like styles and stuff like that, and so I'm very curious. Yeah, but before we get started, Namjoo, she is now a solo artist, but she is under a group called APINK, and they are under Play M Entertainment, and I'm just really excited to listen to this because honestly, like in APINK, like majority of girl groups or like just groups in general, idol groups, usually since there's so many vocalists and very few rappers, like the vocalists, like sometimes there's not enough like line distributions for each member, but that's why I feel like I'm sort of glad that Namjoo, like she is coming out with a solo so that like a lot of people can know her voice more. So yeah, I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's get into it. Dang, her makeup. Okay, very interesting. Ooh, very powerful. She does have a very strong vocal. Wow, so pretty. Whoa, what the heck? This is very interesting. Woo. Okay. Ooh. So she's really going for that bad girl, like sexy. Okay. Wow, these outfits. Ooh, oh my gosh, what the heck? Wow. Interesting. Ooh. Wow, dang. Ooh. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so we just finished watching the music video and wow, like that was very unexpected. Definitely I know that like APINK has been trying like very like mature like sounds, but like for Namjoo to do this, like this is very like unexpected and out of the ordinary. But honestly I like it. Obviously like for me, in APINK, like Namjoo's not my bias, and so like I didn't really pay attention much to her. That's why I feel like I'm so caught off guard by this, and very like impressed. And so honestly, like this was very interesting, and like honestly, it somehow really suited her, and like yeah, it was just so cool and such like an interesting like sound and style that I've never seen APINK do. And for Namjoo, like I know she's very like out there, and so for her to do this kind of genre like girl crush, sexy, like very like serious, mature side, I like it. I think it suits her very like well, and like her vocals, like I didn't really realize how strong her vocals have become. And so yeah, I'm really impressed by this, and wow, like honestly I'm glad that she did this solo, because like whenever like members from like groups like come out with a solo, like I love that, because like you can really hear like their like vocals, raps, or like just like their skills that like not like they can't really show in a group. And so I think Namjoo was like this was like really perfect for her, because I honestly like didn't really focus on her and her vocals and like her improvement. So like this was like a like very like big like whoa, like this is so good. Yeah, so overall I really like it. I'm very impressed, like her vocals, the dance too, like wow, that looked so cool. And so I'm really excited to see like the full dance. And also like just her style like changed so drastically, so like I'm like shocked, but like really glad that like she had that shift. And yeah, it really suits her and just so good. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also comment down below if you're a Namjoo fan or like APINK fan, and also what you thought about this song, and congratulate her on her solo debut. And also follow me on Instagram just to get updated with me, and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And also please stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys next time.